What's up, guys? Alpha Dog here with another pick of the day brought to you by who else but Bookmakers Review. And guys, we're going to the MLB. We're going to a 4 o'clock Eastern Standard Time first pitch. We're going out to San Diego between the Phillies and the Padres. I anticipate the Phillies getting this one done at a plus 140. There's tons of value today. I think Yu Darvish is a little overvalued, and the Phillies should be able to put runs on the board. I like backing Gibson. He's been a good starter, and you can get that at a plus 140. It's what we're playing. Yet again, Phillies plus 140 in today's first MLB POD is brought to you by who else but Bookmakers Review.